Here I have LENOVO M7 tab, and today I'm going to show you how to enter developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, about tablet, and here you can find the line build number. So what you have to do is to tap on this line several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find these developer options in the system section. So here you can get to know with them, with all these hidden advanced developer options. You can also disable them here, and after that they should disappear from the settings list. No more developer options anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.